Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can fix this problem on ChatGPT which says unusual activity has been detected from your device. Try again later. So I know there are multiple process, so you need to follow this step by step. Okay, let's start the video. So the first step will be you need to open your browser and you need to remove the extensions you have on your browser. This is the reason why you face this problem. So you can either remove it from Chrome, and if you have something very important extension, go to here, manage extension. You need to toggle this off like this, but but for best results you just remove it, okay. This is what I recommend, just remove it. And the second step in order to fix this problem will be you need to go to your history and you need to clear all your browsing history, cookies and cache. Okay, just press all time and delete data. This will be the second step in order to fix this problem. The third step will be go to your account, log out of your account, and then what you have to do is again try to log in. So now what you have to do while you're trying to log in, you need to change your password. So just tap forgot password, and you need to change the password of your ChatGPT account. This will be the third step. The fourth step will be you need to change your Wi-Fi to something else, and then you need to change your ChatGPT account. So if the first three steps didn't work for you and you want to get this solution as fast as possible, you just need to log in from a different account. So this is the quick solution. So let's do it. So if you have a different email ID, I hope you guys have different email ID. You just need to log in from a different email ID and then create an account, and don't forget to change the network settings. Okay, I hope your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and have a great day.